My name is Tapsi Upadhyay. I'm from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm the director of this NGO called Mission Healthy Bharat, MHB. So this Mission Healthy Bharat, where healthy defines healthy people, healthy lovely animals and healthy mother nature. Second initiative under which is Sampoorn Bharat Yatra, and which aims to create the awareness among students, conducting world's most extensive awareness campaign for climate change, health literacy, youth empowerment and animal cruelty. So this Sampoorn Bharat Yatra was initiated from Meerut on 9th of March. It's been about 3 months we have been traveling for this cause. But then the NGO was recently registered about a year ago. I have visited 5 states so far. If I talk about the particular locations where we have gone to, we initiated from Meerut, Mathura, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jaunpur, Varanasi, Chandoli, Ghazipur district, then Bihar, Buxar, Ara, Patna, Begusarai, Bhagalpur, Kishanganj, then Siliguri corridor, Siliguri, Kalimpong, Malbazar, Darjeeling, then Sikkim, Mangan, Lachin, Lachung, Gurdonmarg Lake, Gangtok, Namchi, Rinchonpong, Renok, Rongli, Zuluk, Pakyong, then Assam, Kokrajhar, Bongaigaon, Nalbadi, Guwahati, Nagaon, Tezpur, Bishwanath, Charali, and we were in Arunachal also, Itanagar, Zero, Pasighat, Doang, Dong, Welong, Namsai and other locations, and we have entered Arunachal Pradesh, this Nagaland now via Dimapur. So today I am in Dimapur, we'll be heading to Kohima and then to other parts of Seven Sisters, other parts of India. We'll be covering all 28 states and 8 union territories in 1.5 years. This is 1.5 year long journey, and we'll be ending it at Delhi. So we have already routed it, we have already planned the travel calendar. So we are going to all the IITs present in India, all the prestigious institutions such as IITs and IIMs. Apart from it, we are trying to cover the remote rural schools so that this do not have a boundary, this do not limit to a certain boundary, so that we have awareness reaching to unreached as well. So we try to figure out the most prestigious to the very remote, and that is how we select wherever we go and whenever we reach the location. So basically I aware students how their individual everyday's action is impacting the world, themselves and the other life forms on the planet. So by knowing how their action can impact, but doing the other way around can save the planet, their own health and environment and other life forms, they make little changes in their lifestyle. They make step by step start building habits so that they themselves can, by planting trees, by saving trees, by not depositing plastic, not consuming anything that is coming from plastic, that is packed in plastic, not applying anything that is coming in plastic or coming from industry. So these are the little changes they can and they'll definitely be making, and via which we'll be having a wonderful, kinder and compassionate. So especially when it comes to riding a bullet bike in India, we have various terrains. We have different sort of terrain, surface, road conditions, and also the very challenge that I face is not particularly related to my bike ride, but something that I feel a little challenge is having that sort of food that I really consume. I am on a Sattvic vegan lifestyle. I follow a complete Sattvic lifestyle, and getting this kind of food in every part of India, I think this is a bit challenging for me. And apart from it, challenges are there, obstacles are there, failures are there, but I always consider it as the stepping stone towards the success, nothing as challenging. So in Dimapur, we are covering 2 schools and 2 colleges. Not as of now. Right now I'm in 1, and here we'll be doing the first session. We have landed yesterday night, so now we'll be planning out the 4 locations, 4 destinations, 4 schools and colleges, and we'll be heading tomorrow to Kohima. So I am the one who is riding this bullet bike, but again, as I said, this is the most extensive awareness campaign in the world. So this is going to be a teamwork where I need people to support me with video recordings, paperwork, driving and all. So I have 3 other team members in my MHB team. They accompany me in this Mahindra Thar, which you can see behind me.
Okay, last questions. Can you tell us your recent success story? about this NGO?
I have so many, but when it comes to this Sampoorn Bharat Yatra, there are little successes. I won't say one big success in entire journey, but during this journey I have witnessed so many little successes where we find students pledging that we won't be eating or we won't be relying on any junk from now on. We'll be planting one tree from now on. These are little changes, and all the schools we go to or the educational institutions we go to, they pledge to come up with something that can really bring a change in entire institution. For example, the recent one school, they have boarded one thing where this board shows the real information of packed food, how much sugar content is there, how much high salt or fat content is there in the packed food, and also about the environment. Don't to litter here and there, don't use plastic like that. And the entire school switched to a complete whole food plant-based meals, where they have not allowed students to bring any non-vegetarian animal food or any dairy food inside the campus, and they are promoting whole food and healthier food options for students and completely barred the one. So far we have covered 88,000 kilometers of distance, and this is going to be 40,000 plus kilometers of distance that entirely we are going to cover. And for this distance we have covered Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and now we are in Nagaland. So from Nagaland we'll be heading to Manipur, then to Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, then exiting from West Bengal, Odisha, and like that. So to know more about the journey, we have our socials, our website and everything in the name of MHB Wali, MHB Mission Healthy Bharat, MHB Wali, where we also share information, also do digital campaigns on the social platforms so that people know more about it and get engaged and support the movement like anything, because this is not my movement, this is the movement of ours. This is for all of us. I say one thing which is very important to me and to everybody out here, which is the true essence of democracy is shown by Mission Healthy Bharat, where this mission is by the people, of the people, for lovely animals and Mother Nature. So we are hosted by families, our food is offered by families, people only fuel our bike and Thar. They support us like anything and they become a part of Mission Healthy Bharat, as it is the mission for of all of us.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.